सगळे धंद्यांनी हफ्ते चालू आहा. हांगा कार्गो जो येता तो कार्गो भायर काडपा खातीर पयशे मागतात आनी ते पयशे दिले ना म्हणून आज मेरेन कार्गो थंय जिप्समाचो कार्गो कुसता. हे सगळे इश्यूज हांव एसेंब्लीन काडटलो आनी क्लियर कट एक दिश्टी पडटलें की बीजेपी ह्या तालुक्यान येवन हो तालुको काबार जालो. तर लोकांक हांगा बदल जाय अशें दिसता. नाजाल्यार इतल्या लोकांची गाराणी आज आमकां आयकुची पडपाची न्ही. जर सगळे खुश आहा, जर सगळे अच्छे दिन जर चालू आहा सगळ्यांचे, जाल्यार गाराणी कित्याक? वायर पीपल apprehend that there is going to be a mass cutting of trees which is going to give them lung diseases because of coal being handled. Who is saying that there is a dome for coal? Nobody has seen it. The media has not seen it. The elected representatives have not seen it. The opposition has not seen it. So who is saying that the coal is being handled in a closed handling of coal is happening? So there are so many issues. The issue is of traditional occupationists, especially fishermen. The Kharewada beach is in a mess. We don't know whether the beach cleaners have given up on that or they believe this is Pakistan. Nobody reaches the Kharewada beach. Now we are going to go there to see. There are fishing jetties everywhere. There is in Kortali, there is in Panjim, there is no fishing jetty in Vasco. Permission was got from the government saying, from the NPA, saying that the Goa government should do this jetty. I have raised this issue several times. But the jetty is not in place. The new season is about to start. So, it means that entire population of Vasco, whether it is the poor Hindu, whether it is the fishermen, whether it is the minority community, the younger generation which is running the risk of gambling, because gambling is rampant and the ruling party's cadre have forgotten that they are a party with a difference. They are now a gambling party. So it is now BGP. It is a Bharatiya gambling party in Murgugaon now. But everybody is involved in gambling. So all this, indicates that there is a bleak future for the next generation in Moscow. The traditional occupationists are giving up on their profession. Trawler owners are saying they are not getting subsidy. So every year there are 1 or 2 trawler owners who are giving up the profession. The smaller fisherman is so much harassed that he is saying that the Malpe people are coming and doing the bull trolling and LED fishing. Well, nothing is left for him. So they are also in danger. The transporter who used to be a local has been now replaced by somebody from out because haftas can be collected from outside is better. So in the name of trying to give justice to locals, there is only an extortion industry which is thriving in this taluka. And therefore we will have to raise these issues in the house. We will see whether the government heeds to this call.
जाणा एकल्यानी एमएलए हे भाशेन लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आहाय ते लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकोपाक थोडो टायम दिवपा जाय. आनी जरी तर हे भाशेन तर दिना जाल्यार वोटरांक तुमी जस्टिफिकेशन दीच ना. कित्याक आयज इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जरी तर आयज तर ह्यात मार्मागांव तालुक्यान आयज तर प्रॉब्लेम नासले वो कोणाकूय प्रॉब्लेम नासले जाल्यार आयज इतलो लोक येवन आपले प्रश्न हो प्रॉब्लेम आपले विजयक सांगचे ना आसले. सो तेका लागून हांव सांगता जे आयज आमदार जाले म्हणटकच सुसेगाद रावप ना, लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकप. आनी आयज ताणें आमचेय प्रश्न ताणें आयकले. आयज गोवा फिशींग बोर्डाचे ज्या आमच्या फिशींग जेटीचे जायते मेंबर येयले, हांवूय प्रेसिडेंट. पूण आयज प्रश्न आमी चोयता तो ह्या फिशींग जेटीचो धाकटीशी आमकां फिशींग जेटी आहा, टेम्पररी जेटी, हे सदांच हांव म्हणटा. आनी ही आयज इतले कंडिशन बिगडले आहा हे जेटीचे. आनी हे वर्सा आयज तेणें काम देखून ते मेंटेनन्स कितें करपाचें आहा तें देखून करूंक ना. आयज हांव स्पेशल विजय सरदेसाय बाबा आयज व्हरोन दाखयतलो आनी ते कळटलें जे कंडिशन कितें आहा तें. कित्याक मनसून 2 म्हयने आहा, 2 म्हयन्या भितर जे मेहनत रिपेयर आहा ते करूं जाय, तेवूय करूं ना. एवरी असेंब्लीन जो एश्युरन्स ताका मेवता आनी की न्यू बरी जेटी बांदून दिता म्हणटा तेवूय आयज आमकां मेवना. सो पर्सनली हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केला विजय सरदेस बाबा, यो आनी तुज्या पर्सनल तुज्या दोळ्यांनी पळय वास्कोचे फिशींग जेटीचे कंडिशन कितें आहा.